Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to Super Prime Time. Max on the debate with Arnab, and on the nation's sharpest opinion, I'd like to start by talking about the disgraceful conduct of the AAP leaders who formed a 5-layer security ring around Arvind Kejriwal this morning to make sure that Republic Network's reporters could not ask him questions on Swati Maliwal. If you see the footage, it shows that one of the other persons being protected by that security ring of Arvind Kejriwal is Arvind Kejriwal's closest assistant, the man exceptionally close to him, Bibhav Kumar, who is the person who assaulted, thrashed, beat Swati Maliwal allegedly in Kejriwal's presence. And the same man who, by the way, knows all the secrets about Liquorgate, which Kejriwal is out for the next few days on bail for. Kejriwal's situation, viewers, is terrible. He's in a terrible situation. He cannot say anything about Bibhav Kumar, his constant travel companion and political soulmate, because Bibhav can expose Kejriwal's role in Liquorgate. Then he cannot say anything to Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who is obliged to, who he allegedly wants to give Swati Maliwal's Rajya Sabha seat to as a reward for defending him in the liquor scam. And he also, Arvind Kejriwal, is in such a terrible situation, he cannot even say anything to Swati Maliwal either, because if she makes a statement that he was witness to or instigated the assault on her, then the legal consequence of that is that his bail can be cancelled. It may become a reality and he may have to go back to jail tomorrow morning. So, the Arvind Kejriwal that we are seeing these days is a man cornered more and more in situations, from scams to assaults, because of his own doing. Trying to get physical or intimidating with Republic reporters doesn't change the fact that it is the Aam Aadmi Party and Kejriwal who have a lot to hide. Ladies and gentlemen, the latest twist in the Swati Maliwal story. Now, on the debate.
Kejriwal is campaigning with assault-gate accused Bibhav Kumar.
बताइए विभाव के पास चलते हैं। विभाव देखिए बिल्कुल हम नजदीक पहुंच गए। क्या हुआ भैया, बात का ही नहीं करने दे रहे हैं। बोलिए ना, ये तो आप लोग आम आदमी पार्टी से बोले। लोग
मणिपुर में कारगिल के शहीद की बीवी को नंगे घुमाया मोदी जी।
ठीक है, इनसे उसमें तो सवाल हो रहा है ना, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में सवाल उस पे हो रहा है।
मणिपुर से मांगा, मणिपुर का जवाब
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ आपसे।
मणिपुर में कारगिल के शहीद की बीवी को नंगे घुमाया
जाने में आप लोग रोक रहे हैं। बताइए,
मोदी जी वोट
केजरीवाल जी है तो समझ में आएगा।
अरे मोदी जी वोट मांग रहे थे।
आप बोले प्रज्वल, वो है नहीं, कौन बैठा हुआ है? देखिए
3,000 वीडियो थी प्रज्वल रवाना जी।
अरे भाई पहुंच गए, दरवाजे पे पहुंच गए।
His personal assistant has kept dodging the Republic cameras.
स्वाति मालीवाल रात में जाके मेहनत करती है वहाँ पे, उनके संग होगा, उस पे नहीं पूछेंगे।
हम तो खुश हो रहे हैं कि आप कारगिल के शहीद
पूछो उनसे। ये गलत है क्या? इस पे नहीं पूछेंगे आप? ये बैठे हैं, कब तक ये चुप रहेंगे? कब तक नहीं बोलेंगे? बताइए।
अरे मोदी जी कब तक चुप रहेंगे?
इस पे इन्होंने घटनाक्रम को अंजाम दिया है ना। मोदी जी कब तक? ये आप राजनीतिक मुद्दा है अपना बनाइए, तस्वीर में दिखाइए, इनका चेहरा भी दिखाइए, किस तरीके से कवर कर रहे हैं, बात नहीं करने दे।
Unwilling to face cameras, watch how Kejriwal's PA's guards try to corner the Republic group.
हटाने को लगातार कोशिश कैसे कंधा लगा के ढकेल के। कहाँ सवाल आप क्या कह रहे हैं? पूछिए,
क्या बताइए,
हमें भी तो दीजिए।
क्या पूछूंगा? चलिए आप पूछिए।
आप मेरे को बोल रहे थे
भाई साहब, आप प्रेस वाले हैं, आप मीडिया बंधु हैं, ठीक है। सवाल
जो गाड़ी में बैठे हैं वो गलत किए कि नहीं किए बताओ। वो गाड़ी में जो बैठे हैं, शिकायत किया है आप ही की राज्यसभा सांसद ने, फोन गया है पुलिस से, पुलिस के रजिस्टर में।
कभी किसी भी व्यक्ति ने जाके किसी FIR,
आप जो बात कह रहे हैं समझिए लीगली बाउंड होगी। वो पुलिस के कागज पे रिकॉर्ड पे लिखा हुआ है, स्वाति मालीवाल जी ने नाम लेके
FIR दर्ज कराई।
अब तो वो पीछे हट गई।
Now watch how Kejriwal walks out of the Samajwadi Party office. He rushed to the door of the SUV, nervously greeting the media, and hops onto the front seat of the same car as his close aide Bibhav Kumar is seated in the back seat. They take off together.
केजरीवाल समाजवादी पार्टी से बाहर निकलते हुए कार्यालय दिख रहे। केजरीवाल जी कुछ कहेंगे? केजरीवाल जी सख्त कार्रवाई होगी। संजय सिंह का बयान था और पीछे देखिए बैठे हुए वो व्यक्ति जिनसे जुड़ा ये पूरा विवाद है, क्या सख्त कार्रवाई हुई है तस्वीरों में देखिए। और अब हाथ दिखा रहे केजरीवाल जी, पहले जब पूछा गया प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में तो कोई जवाब नहीं दिया, पीछे हट गए और अब यहाँ से गाड़ी निकलती हुई दिखाई दे रही है। देखिए पीछे बैठे हुए हैं वो व्यक्ति जिनसे जुड़ा ये पूरा विवाद है। और जब केजरीवाल जी से इस पर सवाल किया गया तो उन्होंने भी कोई जवाब नहीं दिया।
Hours later, Swati Maliwal has submitted a written statement to the Delhi police. 4 CRPF guards are now deployed outside Maliwal's residence, while Kejriwal drives around freely with Bibhav. This comes 2 days after Sanjay Singh in a briefing assured action against Bibhav Kumar.
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के आवास पर स्वाति मालीवाल जी मिलने के लिए पहुंची थी, ड्राइंग रूम में इंतजार कर रही थी। इस बीच विभव कुमार जी वहां पे आते हैं और उन्होंने स्वाति मालीवाल जी के साथ बहुत बदतमीजी की, अभद्रता की।
While Kejriwal is silently supporting assault accused and also using the India Alliance to brush the issue under the carpet.
आम आदमी पार्टी हमारा परिवार है, पार्टी ने अपना रुख साफ कर दिया है और मैं चाहता हूं जितने विषय मैंने आपके सामने रखे हैं, देश के प्रधानमंत्री और भारतीय जनता पार्टी को जवाब देना चाहिए। स्वाति मालीवाल के मामले में जवाब देना, जब वो पहलवान बेटियों के लिए जंतर मंतर पे न्याय मांगने गई थी स्वाति मालीवाल जी, उस समय घसीट के मरवाया पुलिस वालों ने।
Maliwal has spoken, and will Kejriwal be called as witness?
Now, ladies and gentlemen, Piyush Joshi and Akashdeep Muni and Sanju Verma are on this debate. This has become a huge issue. Firstly, you said, Piyush, that yesterday that it is necessary for Arvind Kejriwal to explain. You said that he will explain. So what should be done? I mean, now that it's quite clear that she was assaulted, beaten badly. How long will you protect him like this? You saw the pictures. He's so scared. Look at Arvind Kejriwal sitting with Akhilesh protecting him on one side and Sanjay Singh on the other. Look at the pictures. What do the pictures reveal? That the man cannot take a position. That he has to be hidden, protected from reporters who are simply asking tonight. And please run the visuals. Who are simply asking, Arvind Kejriwal, she was beaten up in front of you. The accusation is you instigated it. It was in your presence. Avoiding simple. Why can't he come and say, I'm really sorry it happened? I have sacked Vibhav. But he protects Vibhav. You see, he protects Vibhav. Look at the visuals there. Vibhav is made to sit right behind Arvind Kejriwal with full protection. This means Arvind Kejriwal is telling the people of the country, I will protect the person who has assaulted a lady MP. Go to hell, people of India. The prime accused is assaulted in Assaultgate will be protected by me. Women of India, please watch. This is what the India Alliance does. They talk about big things about Manipur, Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh. But when it comes to what happens inside their own home, this is the reality. Piyush, say something. Akashdeep, say something today. Your leader is being protected like this. How long will you protect him?
But chance to do. Okay, now you have called out. Now let me reply. Arnabji, Swati Maliwal has spoken out. Yes, Swati Maliwal has spoken out. Finally, and Swati Maliwal in her statement did not name either Vibhav Kumar or Arvind Kejriwal, but she has named Bharatiya Janata Party and asked Bharatiya Janata Party to not do politics upon this. Interestingly, her previous statements also say, I hope today you will play it, when she says that why the National Commission of Women did sit for 40 long days from June 12 to July 20 on complaints Here there is no complaint. In that case, in Manipur
Whoa,
case, there was a
one minute,
complaint.
one minute.
No,
One minute. Akashdeep, I'm intervening for a minute. I'm intervening for a minute. You have the same statement of Swati Maliwal and I have the same statement of Swati Maliwal. And let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you, Swati Maliwal is nobody to say whether the issue should be politicized or discussed. If Swati Maliwal tells me today, let me tell you, Swati Maliwal tells me today, Arnab, don't debate this issue because it may damage the prospects of the Aam Aadmi Party. You think I'll stop debating it? The fact of the matter is she has been beaten and assaulted in the presence and possibly at the instigation of Arvind Kejriwal. It is not just a matter of political debate. It is a matter of past debate across the entire, every home of this country is asking this question tonight. Who are you to say? Because it is embarrassing you, is it? What are you saying? A crime has been committed. An FIR has been filed. Bibhav should be arrested now. I thought you will support women. But what you are saying is, women of India should silently endure torture and assault. Tomorrow you will even justify sexual assault. Tomorrow you will justify murder and rape. You will justify any crime against women at the way in which you are going. I'm sorry, unacceptable words from you, Akashdeep. I'm opening the debate tonight. Let the motion of the debate be on the debate grid right now. Sanjay, we have a reaction from Sanju Verma, and then we're opening this up. Viewers.
Thank you. Arnab, do you remember I was on this issue on your channel
Visuals,
on Monday.
better visuals.
13th of May, I was there. And I was on a debate with Piyush Joshi. And I remember clearly, I was on a debate on other channels also. And the Aam Aadmi Party leaders, official and unofficial spokespeople, they said, "Arey Swati Maliwal ke saath to kuch badtamizi hui hi nahi. Swati Maliwal ke saath to pitai hui hi nahi. Swati Maliwal ke saath to badsaluki hui hi nahi." 31 hours later on Tuesday, Sanjay Singh called out the bluff of his own Aam Aadmi Party leader saying Swati Maliwal ke saath Bibhav Kumar ne badtamizi ki. The word used was badtamizi, and then he said, "Sirf badtamizi hi nahi hui, abhadra vyavahar hua," which means she was disrespected, she was treated rudely, impolitely, and she was also treated in an obscene manner. Because abhadra vyavahar ka matlab kya hota hai? Treating somebody in an obscene manner. So let us not be condescending, let us not be patronizing about what happened with Swati Maliwal. The key questions are these. Was Swati Maliwal assaulted physically? The answer is yes. Was Swati Maliwal assaulted by Bibhav Kumar? The answer is yes. Is Bibhav Kumar a close confidant of Arvind Kejriwal? The answer is yes. Just 24 hours back, he was seen with Arvind Kejriwal inside the aircraft, inside Kejriwal's car, and sitting next to Sanjay Singh at the press conference. तो एक तरफ संजय सिंह कहते हैं, we will take strong action against Bibhav Kumar because we do not tolerate disrespect of women within our party. And within a few hours, Sanjay Singh is seen rubbing shoulders with Bibhav Kumar, the key perpetrator. Within a few hours, Sanjay Singh is seen mollycoddling Bibhav Kumar. And I say this or not, let us not miss the woods for the trees. This is not about Bibhav Kumar alone. Because Swati Maliwal made 2 phone calls to the Delhi police control room. In one phone call, she says that she was physically assaulted by both Kejriwal and Bibhav Kumar. In the second phone call, she says she was beaten black and blue at the behest of Kejriwal by Bibhav Kumar. So Kejriwal is culpable and Bibhav Kumar is culpable. Let us not give a clean check to the Delhi CM who should be ashamed. He's out on bail. और बेल पर निकलते देखिए केजरीवाल ने मारपीट चालू कर दी, वो भी अपनी राज्यसभा की सांसद के साथ, वो भी फॉर्मर डीसीडब्ल्यू की चेयरपर्सन के साथ. एंड दिस इज द सेम केजरीवाल हु सेड हम तो जी राजनीति बदलने आए हैं, हम तो जी कट्टर ईमानदार
shame, absolute shame. No, the point is Arvind Kejriwal has made a choice. That's the way I see it. Viewers, people are telling me, I don't know, what's your angle in this? Firstly, I want to say this, viewers, I have no angle in this. I don't have angles on stories which are about right and wrong, black and white, but I will not be a fence sitter like the rest of the media. Arvind Kejriwal should be ashamed of himself. ashamed of himself. And I'll say this 1,000 times over, Arvind Kejriwal, you should be ashamed of yourself for protecting a person who has brutally beaten, and I will say it in detail, he has beaten a lady MP called Swati Maliwal many times on her chest. Arvind Kejriwal, you should be ashamed. You are protecting this man. He has kicked a woman MP on the lower part of her body repeatedly and has beaten her on the chest. And Arvind Kejriwal, you sit sandwiched there between Sanjay Singh on one side and Akhilesh Yadav on the other. Show the pictures. And let me tell you, Arvind, you appear unsure and compromised. You are not the same Arvind Kejriwal who sat next to Anna Hazare, who I had supported at one time. And I had told you, Arvind, that now you are a politician, I'll keep you under a watch. And Arvind Kejriwal, you have broken every single basic expectation that the people of this country had on you. You will still have people like Piyush and Akashdeep who for their own reasons will support you. But I can tell you by the look on Piyush's face, he is embarrassed as hell tonight. Because when the details come out, Piyush, you're a professional. You know something, you can't defend this. And Arvind Kejriwal wants to say, I will fight with China. Fight with China, Arvind Kejriwal? You can't fight for Swati Maliwal. You called her Lady Singham earlier. And today, you're sitting there compromising. You know why you can't speak? Do you know why you can't speak? I want to tell everyone, including Sunita Kejriwal, do you know why Arvind cannot speak? Arvind cannot speak because he's compromised. Exactly. And because if he speaks anything about Vibhav Kumar will poll khol denge wo liquor gate ka.
और बहुत चीजों की
पोल खोल देंगे, एक 164 स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड कर देंगे केजरीवाल के खिलाफ, खत्म. ऐसे ही बहुत 164 हो चुकी है. No, point being, you have lost trust tonight. See, Piyush, you've lost trust.
Can you please?
No. You have lost. Do you trust Arvind Kejriwal after this? Do you trust him? A man, a product of support by the media, and I supported him because of Anna Hazare, not because of him. Today, running away from my reporter, getting angry, arrogant with the media.
Exactly.
Sending messages, report this, report that. Nonsense. I'm sorry, but tell me one thing. A woman beaten on her chest repeatedly, kicked on the lower part of her body in his house. He can't take a position on that. And Priyanka Vadra quite, ask Arvind. अरे लड़की हूँ, लड़ सकती हूँ. अखिलेश यादव, ये बड़ी बात नहीं है, छोटी सी बात, एक महिला को मारा, क्या बड़ी बात है, मार दिया, मूड किया, मार दिया, क्या बड़ी बात है? आपके पास कोई विषय नहीं है, कास्ट सेंसस के बारे में बोलिए, जाति के बारे में बोलिए, जाति जनगणना के बारे में बोलिए तो बोलेंगे. अरे क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप? मुद्दा नहीं है. खोल दो फोन लाइन में, आज खोल दो फोन लाइन, पता चल जाएगा. अरे मैं बता रहा हूं आपको पीयूष, देश की जनता रिपब्लिक के साथ है, आम आदमी पार्टी के साथ नहीं है. देश की जनता रिपब्लिक नेटवर्क के साथ है, आम आदमी पार्टी के साथ नहीं है. खोल दो फोन लाइन, पता चल जाएगा. यू टेल मी पीयूष, जिस तरह से स्वाति मालीवाल को मारा गया, क्या अरविंद केजरीवाल नहीं थे उस वक्त? क्या उनके सामने नहीं मारा गया? Was she not beaten in his presence? What does that tell you about the misogyny and the prejudice and the sexism and the criminality of Arvind Kejriwal?
Let me know when I should speak.
No, I'm telling you, do you disagree with me in anything? You can speak now.
Now, thank you so much, because Sanjuji mentioned about me that I was denying that anything like that happened. So let me clarify. I was saying it could be either ways. You can go back and play the recording.
Either way?
I said that it could be a couple of hoax call, or it could be Swati Maliwal.
Hoax call? Is it a hoax call now?
Sure. Now listen to me.
Show the visuals of Arvind sitting in the middle with both of them protecting him.
I was just correcting Sanju Verma ji, because she mentioned my name. So now talking about Kejriwal ji being silent on the matter. Kejriwal ji has assured the people of the nation that he'll get to the bottom of the issue. And
Arey, the bottom of the issue is sitting behind him in his car. In his car, what bottom of the issue? Arey, mere reporter se bhag raha hai. He's running away from my reporter. Show those visuals. No, why the still picture? Show the visuals.
Protecting Vibhav Kumar. How do you know he's protecting Vibhav Kumar?
Protecting him? Oh my God! You want to see the video? Can I show the visuals, please, Aditi? Show the visuals.
Inquiring about the issue. He could be just making an inquiry and using the time of the travel to inquire about the issue.
कुछ भी कुछ भी करेंगे आप, कुछ भी बोलेंगे आप, कुछ भी करेंगे
आप, कुछ भी आप कुछ भी assumption ले लोगे, आप कुछ भी assumption बना लोगे, आप केजरीवाल को मीडिया के प्रोडक्ट बोल दोगे, केजरीवाल जी मीडिया के प्रोडक्ट।
अरे मीडिया को जवाब दीजिए ना, आप जवाब दीजिए ना, भाग क्यों रहे? Why don't you answer the questions? You don't like uncomfortable questions. Did I report or did Swati Maliwal go and complain?
केजरीवाल जी प्रोडक्ट।
Are you happy about the way she was beaten on her chest?
क्या बात कर रहे हो? केजरीवाल जी प्रोडक्ट हैं जो उन्होंने होम डोर स्टेप डिलीवरी पे काम किया है, उस चीज के प्रोडक्ट है केजरीवाल जी, किसी मीडिया के बनाने और बिठाने से।
अरे छोड़िए, आप ज्यादा जवाब मत देखिए, जवाब मैं भी दे सकता हूँ। अरे किसके प्रोडक्ट है मैं देख लूंगा बाद में, मगर मेरे ये बता दीजिए, जिन महिला को उन्होंने मारा, क्या वो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में इतना नहीं कह सकते कि ये कायर है, ये मेरा विभव कायर है, ये मारता है, औरतों को मारता है, ये मारता है, और आप अपने गुंडों को लेकर प्रोटेक्शन देते हैं।
The whole issue is
that Arvind Kejriwal is witness to a terrible crime against a woman in his house, and he's not saying anything about it.
Let the Delhi police investigate the matter and take action. Who's stopping them?
Okay, tell me one thing, Piyush. I'll give you a legal angle to this. Okay, just calm down and listen to me. Arvind Kejriwal is presently out on bail. Now, if this happened with Arvind Kejriwal's knowledge in his house, then you will not deny that Arvind Kejriwal's role becomes obvious. Now,
it's a big if.
Now one minute. Which means his bail is under threat. He is involved in a criminal act. If you are involved in a criminal act while on bail, you have to be back in jail. No, he is involved.
It's a big if.
Being a witness is not being involved. Akashdeep, being a witness is not being involved. You are on bail. You are part of a crime.
Again, you are presuming things.
I am presuming nothing.
Have you been there? Have you seen the CCTV footage?
Yeah, day before yesterday you told me it never happened. No, you are the man. No, you are the man who told me all this never happened. You said you are making it all up. You are saying you're making it all up. You said it's a Sanghi conspiracy. I am asking you today. No, but you said, okay, I'll open it up right now. Let the QR code be on. I feel like opening the phone lines on this. Open the phone lines. No. Open the phone lines. No, viewers, I want to know the way people think on this. I want to listen to the people of this country. चलो खोल दिया, आज इंटरैक्टिविटी हो जाए.
3000 वीडियोस पे चुप रहते हो.
अरे मैं किसी चीज पर चुप नहीं रहता. अरे भैया मैं किसी चीज पर चुप नहीं रहता. प्रज्वल रेवन्ना में मेरे से ज्यादा किसी ने नहीं बोला था. I spoke the most on Prajwal Revanna. I did a whole show on why even his father got bail. I am not a hypocrite. I am not a political activist. I am asking you today, is Arvind hiding the truth? 91% of the people are with me. अरे देश की 91% लोग मेरे साथ है, 9% आपके साथ है.
फिर भी आपने 40 दिन तक
91% of people रिपब्लिक के साथ है. 9% is with आप.
NCW.
Why do more people support me than Arvind Kejriwal?
40 दिन तक बैठी रही वो वीडियो पे.
this cannot be a monologue.
आपने इंटरव्यू क्यों नहीं लिया?
चलिए, I am opening the phone line. दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी tonight. दूध का दूध और पानी का पानी tonight. I'll open the lines. सुन लीजिए लोगों की आवाज. This incident happens within the home area of Kejriwal, not the camp office. Was Kejriwal there? Was Sunita Kejriwal there? How many of them saw the assault? If you saw the assault and you've not gone to the police station, that means you're a witness. That means you're concealing evidence. There should be a case against you for concealing evidence. You should be de-arrested. Simple baat. You are concealing evidence in a crime against women.
Swati Maliwal has given a statement. Her mother has given a statement to Republic TV.
Oh my God. This is ridiculous.
Open the lines. Open the lines.
He's rambling on and on. I don't know why you don't get
BJP into the debate.
Okay, we are getting. Okay, now what he's saying is, Swati Maliwal says BJP should not take advantage of what happened to me. Your response to that?
Okay, I heard Akashdeep Muni very patiently and I also heard Piyush Joshi. with no offense to Piyush Joshi, I remember Arnab, and I'm sure you have the footage with you. He accused the BJP IT cell on Monday when we were discussing the Swati Maliwal issue, saying that BJP IT cell is behind this entire Dhakoslebazi. You guys should be ashamed. You're victim shaming,
I said
and you have no qualms about
BJP
it.
IT cell
And you
guys
have no
making the call. I
remorse,
said,
no
madam,
regret.
could be.
You will get your turn to rebut. I did not hit you.
You don't get to misquote me.
बोल देना. आपकी
don't get
बारी
to
जब आएगी
misquote
आप
me, madam.
बोलना. Yes,
don't get
आपकी
to
बारी
misquote
आएगी
me.
आप बोलना. शांत
Then
हो
don't
जाओ.
misquote me.
Today is the last day when you should be taking a moral high ground. आपको
Then
शर्म
don't
मची है
misquote
थोड़ी?
me, please.
You're
Don't
victim
misquote me.
shaming Swati Maliwal.
Don't
I'm not
misquote me.
misquoting you. I'm showing you the
Hold your
mirror.
own ground, make your own
Keep quiet.
argument. Don't go ahead and
I'm showing you
misquote
the
me.
mirror. शांत हो जाओ.
Don't
मुझे आपका
misquote me.
भाषण
Let me
नहीं
show you
सुनना.
the mirror now.
आपका
Let me show you
भाषण
the
नहीं
mirror
सुनना.
now.
शांत
You
हो
know the
जाओ.
way
और ना
the
please have my
way
say.
Huge debate tonight. आज बहुत loud debate है viewers. People are calling everywhere tonight. Too many people are calling on my show tonight. Too many people are waiting on the phone line. Let her finish. Piyush, you want to go on a versus with her? I will let you. I'll put you on a versus format with her. I'll put you on a versus format. Let her complete, then you come in.
Okay, now let me tell you, this debate is neither about Piyush Joshi, nor Akash Muni, nor Sanju Verma, nor Arnab Goswami. This debate is about the fact that in the house of the sitting Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal no less, a woman was assaulted. This woman happens to be a Rajya Sabha MP no less, which makes it even more shameful. Point number one. Point number two. Till 48 hours back, these guys were saying, let Swati Maliwal at least file a complaint. If she files a complaint, we will take cognizance that this whole thing is indeed serious. Now that she has filed a complaint, I was in a debate where another Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson said, अरे कोर्ट में जब ट्रायल होगा, जब कोर्ट अपना फैसला सुनाएगी, तब देखा जाएगा whether what Swati Maliwal is saying holds any validity or not. So basically, their agenda is delay, deflect, digress, victim shame. Point number three, and the most important one. Look at Kejriwal's track record or not. This is the same Kejriwal who has made Somnath Bharti, a man accused by his wife of domestic violence, the New Delhi Lok Sabha candidate against Bansuri Swaraj. Somnath Bharti was rewarded for being domestically violent. He was actually given the Delhi Jal Board vice chairmanship by Arvind Kejriwal. I want to ask Arvind Kejriwal,
we're taking calls.
Somnath Bharti? Why did you not expel? Why did you not expel?
I want to show the pictures of Arvind Kejriwal in the middle.
Bhaguwala was the tallest leader of Aam Aadmi Party in Gujarat. Has Bhaguwala been
both
expelled?
of them sitting on
He's
two sides.
accused of rape. No. Has Somnath Bharti been expelled? He's accused of domestic violence. No. Mohinder Goyal, another Aam Aadmi
viewers,
Party
this is a very,
MLA, accused of rape. Has he been expelled by Arvind Kejriwal? The answer is no. Another Aam Aadmi Party leader, Tahir Hussain, accused of driving a female doctor to suicide. Has Tahir Hussain been expelled? No. Prakash Jarwal, accused of sexually assaulting a woman. Has Prakash Jarwal been expelled by Arvind Kejriwal? The answer is no. So my limited point is, whether it is Mohinder Goyal, whether it is Prakash Jarwal, whether it is Tahir Hussain, whether it is Somnath Bharti, whether it is Bhaguwala, Aam Aadmi Party में एक से बढ़कर एक नेता हैं who are rape accused.
No. What is the matter here is, the matter here is simple. One minute, just 1 minute. The law is the law. 1 minute, just 1 minute. Viewers, you know that visual of Arvind Kejriwal running away, and also with that the picture of Arvind Kejriwal sitting in the middle with Akhilesh protecting him and Sanjay Singh protecting him. If you see the pictures, viewers, I ask you, you are saying you want to be Prime Minister of India. You would say you want to protect the country. I'm sorry, if you see the picture from the press conference, Arvind Kejriwal, you can't protect yourself. You should not be protecting yourself, at least speak up. You say you want to be the leader of the country, but you're sitting there nervous, passing the mic. Can we have the shot of the press conference, please? Not these shots, these are irrelevant shots. Let's put appropriate pictures which tell the story. No, there's another long shot with both of them sitting on both sides. Okay, when our producers can pull it out, we'll try and pull out those pictures. Now, someone says here, the nervousness on Kejriwal's face says it all. The day isn't far when his so-called saint-like mask will come off. Latika Vesh, Pratik Panda, what was Kejriwal doing with assault kit accused Vibhav? What's really happening in the AAP, says Vivek Gagneja. Why did Kejriwal duck questions on Swati Maliwal first and now on Vibhav? Prajwala, too suspicious. Question being here tonight, viewers. Piyush, don't protect what cannot be defended. Don't defend the indefensible. Swati Maliwal's statement is out there. I think it's time that even pro-op people like you stop doing whataboutery and take a stance.
Well, I've already taken a stance on my last debate on you. I have already said.
No, you are appearing unsure. You know, okay. Let me ask you here clearly. Let me ask you something. Let's go logical. Shall we go logical tonight? Shall you and I go logical? Let's go logical. If Kejriwal was present as a witness, if he was a witness, what did he do? Did Kejriwal witness the attack, commission the attack, or intervene during the assault? Was Kejriwal present as a witness? What did he do to intervene? Or was he standing there?
Let me tell you one
watching.
thing.
I'm telling you one thing. Viewers, or was he standing there while Swati Maliwal was being assaulted on her chest, kicked?
If Mr. Kejriwal would have been there, nobody would have dared to lift a finger on
really,
Swati Maliwal.
And so, okay, so then tell me one thing. Now, does Kejriwal deny? 1 minute. Here's a line of questioning. You're getting testy with me, Piyush. Is it your case that Kejriwal did not know the way she was beaten up?
Of course he did not.
Okay. Is it your case? Is it your case that he did not know who beat her up?
Whether she was
Is it your case he did not know his man beat her up? 1 minute. Is it your case, Mr. Piyush, that he did not know who carried out the physical assault?
If he was present there, if he was a witness.
There is no if, he knew. And since he knew, why is he protecting that criminal? Why is he protecting that criminal? Because he knows liquor gets secrets?
Let's not give Kejriwal a free pass. Kejriwal also physically assaulted Swati Maliwal. Let's not try and incarcerate.
That we can't say yet. How do you know that?
Has named Kejriwal.
How can you say that? How can you say that?
So Kejriwal.
How can you say that? How do you know? How are you saying that Kejriwal also beat her up?
Kejriwal jawab do, taking the moral.
How do you know that Kejriwal also beat her up?
Jawab do.
Because if he did, it's a very serious matter. How can you say that?
I'm saying that on the basis of the initial report which Delhi PCR received. There were 2 calls made. I've said this in the past. One at 9:31 a.m., one at 9:34 a.m.
We are getting callers, viewers.
In the first call at 9:31 a.m.,
ticker or the callers.
She was assaulted by both.
Put the grid below. Put the QR code below. Ladies and gentlemen.
In the second call, she says she was beaten up.
Yes, I know. I know that. Now Mahesh Sharma is calling in from Patna, Bihar. Mahesh ji, ye kya ho raha hai? What do you think?
Kejriwal jawab do, istifa do.
Mahesh ji, what do you think?
Kejriwal jawab do, istifa do.
Mahesh Sharma from Bihar, what do you think?
जवाब दो प्रज्वल रेवन्ना पे या इस्तीफा दो?
Kejriwal jawab do, istifa do.
Mahesh Sharma, are you there?
Swati Maliwal पर
Mahesh Sharma, are you there from Patna, Bihar? Are you there, sir?
इस्तीफा दो केजरीवाल.
Mahesh Sharma from Patna, Bihar, are you there on the line, sir? His call dropped.
केजरीवाल जवाब दो.
We'll take the next caller in a while. 1 minute. This is a really hot debate tonight, viewers. My question also is, viewers, I'm asking myself, did Kejriwal try to negotiate with Swati Maliwal? Did he try to say, settle kar dete hain? Typical approach, no, खाप पंचायत approach. चलो आपको मारा, आपको पीटा, आपको बुरी तरह से धकेला, आपको किक किया, आपको मारा, चेस्ट पे रिपीटेडली मारा, चलो सेटल कर देते हैं. And I'm telling you, no, would you want, do you trust a compromise कर लेते हैं? हाँ, काशदीप?
Compromise कर लो जी. That is Kejriwal style. Compromise कर लो जी. Please don't give me bhashan. Swati Maliwal's former husband, Naveen Jain, has said that Swati Maliwal's life is under threat.
She has been trashed,
she has been intimidated.
These are
And that Sanjay
It is
Singh
astonishing that
is only doing Ghoslebazi and Nautanki.
QR code numbers.
This is not Sanju Verma. This is Swati Maliwal's ex-husband Naveen Jain accusing the Aam Aadmi Party top leadership of
Okay, Naresh from Mumbai is calling on my live poll tonight. 91% of people are saying Kejriwal is hiding the truth. Naresh from Mumbai, what do you think? Naresh from Mumbai, what do you think? Naresh from Mumbai is on the call. Naresh, loud down, Naresh.
From the people. He is the culprit.
Who is the culprit, Naresh?
स्वाति मालीवाल
Who is the culprit, Naresh?
अटेंड कर रही है।
Sanju, 1 minute, caller Naresh. Naresh, speak up.
Kejriwal is the culprit
Kejriwal is the culprit. Why, Naresh? Why is he the culprit?
because he is such a person who can do anything to keep his
गलत है,
Please.
दिल्ली पुलिस गलत है।
1 minute, a viewer is calling. Sanju, 1 minute. Yeah, go on, Naresh. Go on, speak up, speak up. Louder on Naresh.
Yeah, he is the one who wants to keep his
थोड़ी शर्म आती है या नहीं
peace
भाई साहब?
intact, and that's why he is the culprit for this Ramayana. And these two guys, hello,
I can hear you, Naresh. Go on, go on.
yeah, these two pro-op guys, they are trying to cover up Kejriwal's activities.
Yeah, Naresh, but viewers are smart. Smart viewers like you are seeing everything.
is covering.
Yeah,
Hey, Akash
Swati
Deep,
Maliwal, the
nowadays
victim
viewers
है।
are so
भाई,
smart,
उनका
so
तो
aware.
statement क्या मतलब
Okay, Raman Agarwal is calling from Delhi. Raman, are you there, Raman ji?
क्या मैं बताऊं?
I'm there.
Raman ji, what do you think is going on here, Raman ji?
It is shocking. I have one simple
Numbers on the
question to ask. I have a simple question to ask. If I have committed some crime or some fault and I am on bail, and such a horrendous incident happens in my house, am I not responsible? I am on bail. Just let's not forget, Mr. Kejriwal is out on bail, interim bail. And if something happens at his residence, is he not responsible? It's shocking. It's shocking.
Raman, Akash Deep responded to you, Raman. Yes, Akash Deep.
Ramanji, I totally agree with you. I think that Delhi police should have taken so much FIR against this particular case. And I am waiting that Arnab ji and my respected BJP panelists raise question on the Home Ministry, Delhi police, why they have not registered a so much FIR till now.
People's representative, it is his moral duty. He himself should come and surrender.
अरे पार्टी ने सर
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is a hot debate. Hot debate.
Victim
So
का
many
statement
callers. I
देख
need to
लीजिए,
take a few
victim का
more.
statement भी
Too
आ
many
गया है।
people will be
उन्होंने
upset
BJP
if I
को
don't
नहीं
take
किया
their
है।
call right now. But we have too many callers coming in. Numbers are jammed. The number of people watching the debate tonight, Piyush, it's astonishing. Lines are jammed. My central phone lines are crashing right now. You people
People
think
are
Piyush...
outraged at Arvind Kejriwal's hypocrisy. People are outraged at Arvind Kejriwal's duplicity.
Call
People
Arvind,
are
tell him,
outraged
give him
at
some
Arvind
advice.
Kejriwal's dhakoslabazi. People are outraged at the fact that a man out on interim bail
than I am.
is
And I
the
think he has all
perpetrator
the
in a
wise
sexual
advice that
and
he
physical
needs, and
assault
I am
case.
sure if Mr. Kejriwal would have been present there, nobody would have dared raise a finger on any woman, let it be Swati
No, we tried to
Maliwal ji.
settle it, no? What does that tell you about it?
Nobody is
Let's take
trying
those
to
graphic
settle
clips.
anything. Nobody is trying to settle anything. And whosoever has committed this kind of violence should be punished. That is my plain and
Piyush.
simple opinion. It is as clear as it gets. But to claim that it was done
I know.
at the behest of
Koi baat, one
Arvind
more.
Kejriwal ji, in the presence of
I'm
Arvind
saying
Kejriwal ji,
Arvind
but even
Kejriwal-
This is an all-India issue.
Sanju ji made just made that even Kejriwal ji-
I am saying this is not even a Delhi issue.
Kejriwal also
I am saying ये दिल्ली का issue नहीं है.
Maliwal.
This is an all-India issue. All over India, people are questioning the India line. Mamata Banerjee, say something. Manav Mitra is calling from Kolkata, I am told. Manav, what do you think?
केजरीवाल को क्लीन चिट मत दीजिए.
Manav, what do you think? Manav?
नेम एंड शेम केजरीवाल इस्तीफा
Call
दो
drop.
केजरीवाल इस्तीफा दो स्वाति मालीवाल पर
Shame the
चुप्पी
Prime
तोड़ो.
Minister for asking vote for Prajwal
केजरीवाल
Revanna.
इस्तीफा दो.
Did the Prime Minister
Plates again.
pleaded to the people of Karnataka to vote for Prajwal Revanna or not? You tell me one thing,
I will
a simple
keep
question
repeating
I'm
this
asking
ad
you, ma'am.
nauseam.
Did the Prime Minister
I know.
plead to the people of
Give the link.
Karnataka
राजनीति
to
बदलने
vote for
आया
Prajwal
हूँ.
Revanna or
मैं
not?
तो जी
Is
राजा
the
हरिश्चंद्र का
JDS
चौथा
still an alliance
Show the
partner
plates.
of the
मैं तो
Bharatiya
जी
Janata
अपने
Party
बच्चों
or
की
not?
कसम खाता हूँ.
Is Bhushan Sharan Singh still
मैं
a top leader
ईमानदारी
of
से
yours or
राजनीति
not?
करूंगा.
Is
And
Kuldeep
look at
Sengar still a
Kejriwal.
BJP member or
He has
not?
lowered
Is
the level
Raghavji
of
still a
public-
Okay, viewers.
He has lowered
Okay,
the
viewers.
level of public narrative.
Okay, viewers, I want to say something. Viewers, I want to say something here. I want to say something here. I want to say something here. I request all the YouTube campaigners for Congi and Aam Aadmi Party to show some spine, some guts, to gather some courage. You know, it's so necessary. थोड़ी सी ख्वाहिश है हमारी कि थोड़ी सी हिम्मत उनके मन में आ जाए। उनके जो प्रिंसिपल स्पॉन्सर्स है आम आदमी पार्टी, और जो ये हुआ है हकीकत है, सब लोग देख रहे हैं, इस पर थोड़ी सी उनकी अब चुप्पी तोड़ दें, बोल लें, हिम्मत जुटाएं। ये लोग हैं ना, यूट्यूब में काम करते हैं और फंडिंग किसी और से लेते हैं, दे शुड स्पीक अप अबाउट इट। एनीवे, आई थैंक यू फॉर दिस पैनल, एंड बाय द वे लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, एज द assault gate episode hits Kejriwal, more and more details are coming out of other such episodes. My next guest tonight is Shazia Ilmi. She's among many former leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party who are speaking out. These are leaders who once shared the stage with Kejriwal and who have horror stories to share about the internal workings of the Aam Aadmi Party. Shazia Ilmi has her own story to tell on the other side. That's life. This is what she said.
There are actual cases of misbehavior, of actual beating, physical assault, and they go on within the confines of Sheesh Mahal.
क्या है असलियत केजरीवाल जी की, क्या है असलियत उनके आसपास जो लोग हैं उनकी?
The assault allegations by Swati Maliwal, a Rajya Sabha MP, has put Kejriwal in a spot. Maliwal has given her version to the police. The focus is on Arvind Kejriwal. Will he be called in? This episode within the Aam Aadmi Party smacks of a cover-up, which many former leaders say is par for the course within the party. Shazia Ilmi, a founding member of AAP, has spoken out. She claims that the story of Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party is more than what meets the eye.
एक गंभीर मुद्दे पर आम आदमी पार्टी चुप क्यों है? स्वाति मालीवाल जी ने क्यों इस तरह के इल्ज़ाम लगाए? उन्होंने सिर्फ फ़ोन कॉल नहीं किया, बल्कि वो बाकायदा पुलिस स्टेशन भी गईं। तो क्या वो किसी तरह से कुछ कहना चाह रही थी और ऐसे ही डराने धमकाने के लिए इस तरह के इल्ज़ाम लगा रही थी, या वाकई में इनमें कुछ सच्चाई है? लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि देश की जनता को ये जानना चाहिए क्या है असलियत केजरीवाल जी की।
That it is indeed shocking that Kejriwal is quiet on this issue, that it has happened not once but even before, that there are actual cases of misbehavior, of actual beating, physical assault, and they go on within the confines of Sheesh Mahal of Sultan Kejriwal Sahab.
What's the reality that Shazia Ilmi is talking about? Hear it from Shazia herself on the debate with Arnab.
Okay, viewers, Shazia Ilmi is joining me tonight with Piyush. Shazia, by the way, I want to tell viewers, FIR will be registered by late tonight, and as we are hearing that Swati's complaint says that Kejriwal was aware. If Swati's complaint says Kejriwal was aware, that's a criminal case against him. That he was aware and he's shielding, which means he could be summoned as well, and his bail he could lose his bail, right? Shazia, what's the implication of this?
Yes, well, yes, and there has to be criminal action taken against Kejriwal. It has happened on his watch, at his behest, and what a sordid story this is. I mean, it's beyond appalling. But you know, I'm not sure.
How do you know at his behest?
But I just never knew that they would do this to Swati.
How do you know at his behest?
Swati said it when Swati complained, and it is then because Swati, when she gave this complaint to the police in the PCR logs, it is there. She said, "Mujhe pitwaya ja raha hai."
Pitwaya ja raha hai by whom? Pitwaya, which means I am being thrashed on the. Kejriwal asked for her to be beaten.
Yes, Vibhav does whatever his master tells him. That is Vibhav's job profile. Vibhav is used to invite people, instigate people, humiliate people, intimidate people. That's what he's been doing forever. Anybody who knows them even slightly will tell you this. And I know them rather well, and all of us have experienced that. So Vibhav would not act on his own accord. Let me tell you, it is not possible. So if Arvind Kejriwal wants to make Vibhav the fall guy, it's not happening. Nobody will believe it. And Vibhav and Arvind have so much of muck on each other that I don't think Vibhav will happily go as a fall guy. The fact of the matter is that
so
Arvind
you're saying that Arvind has no choice. Arvind has no choice but to protect Vibhav. So he's in huge trouble. He can't get out of this. That means. Suppose he because he's trying to distance from Vibhav. Can he distance from
Yes,
Vibhav?
but I can tell you one thing. I want to tell you a few things.
Please do.
So, do you remember what happened at Kapashera many years back when Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan had to be thrown out? Arvind was seething, hopping mad. He wanted them out. So, he made sure they got bouncers. It's all been recorded, it's all been there. And Yogendra Yadav's people, Islam Khan and all were beaten up. They had blood. I mean, everybody saw it. So, this goes on. I'm telling you, when I was in R.K. Puram, and this is there in Shravan Kumar's podcast, which happened just 3 weeks back, where I've told these stories. And this has happened many times over.
No, what do you mean bouncers? What do they do? What do they do? Tell us the story. What goes on? What goes on inside?
Yeah. People have a different impression. Well, what goes on is, it is just like a small, fiefdom of a chieftain called Kejriwal. It's very crude, the way they conduct their affairs. It's rather rough. And they have all these kind of people, and they're there. Durgesh Pathak is an MLA of Aam Aadmi Party now. When I was contesting elections from R.K. Puram, if you remember, working so hard, it was he and others, Satish Dagar, who was actually made then a councillor. I mean, he was given a ticket, he lost. They said horrible things about me when press was there. I mean, the word, I can't say it, but Muslim dog, you can imagine what they would have said in Hindi. They were using these words and they were carrying out, and I didn't know where to look. And do you know what happened after that? Arnab, listen to this. I had tears of anger. I went to meet Kejriwal, and Manish Sisodia was sitting with all these people, with same Durgesh and Satish Dagar. And I was shocked to see them. They were already there with Manish. And then I went further to talk to Arvind, and I said, Arvind, these people are here. Do you know what they did to me today in the morning in the constituency? How they harassed me and abused me, and they were raising slogans against me of abuse, expletives. And you know what Arvind said? Manish se baat karo, main kuch nahi janta. I can never forget that, and there's so many incidents like that. I mean, you've seen people get roughed up. This happened first hand.
People get roughed up? People get roughed up? What do you mean people get roughed up?
Yeah. Oh,
Arnab,
people get roughed up in front of me.
Are we allowing this to go on and on and on like this?
Why? What is wrong? Why she's telling?
What is wrong? What is wrong?
No, it's not about me going on. I'm just telling you that this is the nature.
And she's a BJP spokesperson.
You can ask Prashant Yadav and Yogendra Yadav and Prashant Bhushan hate BJP too much.
What her motive is.
But everybody knows how they were beaten up and thrown out.
Whatever her motive is. I don't want to be personal in this particular aspect as such, because I respect Shazia ji for what she is. But we cannot allow this to go on and on.
Very traumatic. It's not easy to talk about it. What Swati Maliwal endured
in fact, I must wrap
is totally believable.
Shazia ji, with all due respect,
Vibhav is that sort of a guy.
With all due respect,
I believe Swati Maliwal. Do not victim shame her. Do not do that. Do not do that. They are
I'm not doing anything. That is why I said that I cannot allow this to go on.
Finally, everybody is getting to know what they're all about. Finally, everybody is getting to know what these people are all about.
Whatever is going on, I think that
what they pretend to be and what they are.
I think I just tell you one thing.
This cannot be allowed.
I just tell you one thing at the end. I feel Arvind Kejriwal is in a trap.
Why? Why not?
No, I'll tell you.
Why not, Piyush? Truth should not be. Everybody's selling lies. Everybody's selling lies. Swati's selling lies. The way
I'll have to take this forward tomorrow because I've run short of time and I need to go to my advertising break. But my point tonight is this, that ladies and gentlemen, I feel the way I see it at the end, Arvind Kejriwal is in a trap because he's hiding something. On too many things, he's hiding things. He's hiding something in Liquorgate. He's hiding something a lot on how he runs his party. He's hiding a lot on the financials of his party, on the financials of his party colleagues, on the Hawala allegations against Satyendra Jain. He's hiding a lot on bartering Rajya Sabha seats. He's hiding a lot on Swati assault gate. And when you deny so much, then people see you and they see through you. Ladies and gentlemen, I truly believe Kejriwal needs to give an interview to Republic. In the expanse of this wonderful studio, he can answer my questions. And since television is a transparent medium and so many of you watch Republic, we'll get a clearer idea of how much to believe his version, which for the record is still not in the public domain. Tell me, would you enjoy an interview on Republic on Liquorgate and Assaultgate with Kejriwal or not? And would you enjoy it more on Republic than any other channel? Tell me what you think and see you tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Sharp at 9. Good night and goodbye.